Well, the effort of your team worth all of it. Lots of Americans sweating on Romanian land this past week, so they were wonderful. Well, really, this week was absolutely unbelievable for lots of our parents. They called me, they came to me, they use high words for what happened this past week. So your team really did an excellent job, and I remember parents who were calling me and telling me, "What do you do there?" Because our child, my son, for example, this is one particular case. So my son came home and he was able to explain me in details everything they've done the whole day, and this is very uncommon for my boy to give all those details. So I really think it's a very good event you do there. This is what this lady told me. The other day, another mom, she was bringing her son here, and she said, "Well, let me tell you something. I don't know her personally, so I don't know what's her education, but she seems to know the educational things." And she said, "Look, this event is much better than the VBS one, because there, I sent my son there too, but there is lots of children, like we had like 400, over 400, so lots of children, and they were coming home tired. But here I see structure, I see people know exactly what to do, and I see much more value in this kind of event with less number of children and very well planned. And this is really something you should invest in the future." This is what the other mom said. So yeah, things like that are coming to my ears day after day, and I'm really excited for this event. One of the elders, the one who said some words in the end, he's the oldest elder, and he has lots of influence in the church. He was so excited about the week. He came, and besides thanking us for what we do, yesterday before he left, he was being so excited, he went to all our helpers, for example, and hugged them and kissed all of them for their effort. And yesterday evening, one of the leaders, Romanian leaders, for her was so unexpected she was talking with somebody, and all of a sudden somebody comes and kiss her cheek, and she goes like, "Oh." And he was thanking her, and she was, "Wow, this elder, the most influential elder in the church, he came and hugged me and kissed me for what I've done. I did not expect it, I didn't know." So this shows something of his reaction. He had two grandsons here, so he was really involved in the thing through his grandson. So unbelievable, an excellent event. Thank you very much.